Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking network and software. Do this now. Make sure your iPhone and Apple TV share the same Wi-Fi. Once connected, update both devices so features match. Then open Apple TV settings and enable AirPlay. This allows screen mirroring and casting. If you use 4 versus 5 GHz, pick the one with stronger signal. Finally, confirm your iPhone's control center shows the AirPlay icon so you can start casting immediately. Next, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay. You'll see available devices. Select your Apple TV name. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, type it into your iPhone to pair. For video apps, use the in-app AirPlay icon when you want only video sent, and use screen mirroring to duplicate the entire display. Once connected, adjust volume from your iPhone. Make sure the app stays active so playback doesn't pause. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center, tap Stop Mirroring, or quit the app to end casting. You can control playback and use Siri from your iPhone, or install the Apple TV remote in Control Center for precise input. If you lose connection, restart both the iPhone and Apple TV, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi, and check for software updates. One key tip: reboot your router if multiple devices can't find each other, then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.